New York has been built on the backs of construction workers. They've had to fight and claw for everything that they've gotten. And when they're hurt on the job and they need to turn to a law firm that's going to help them, they want a fighter. They want someone who's been there and who has a track record of success. And that's why they come to Block O'Toole and Murphy.
Block O'Toole and Murphy is a uniquely qualified law firm to handle any construction accident case in the state of New York. From top to bottom, we have the very best. We have the very best trial lawyers. We have the best legal scholars in the state. We are very different from any other firm I can think of, and I'm proud of every single person that works here.
When a construction worker is on a scaffold that collapses, or another worker is climbing a ladder that falls, they need to come to a law firm that's going to fight for them.
Block O'Toole and Murphy handles every type of construction accident that takes place in the state of New York. If you're involved in a construction accident in the state of New York, the first thing you need to know is that you need help. That the folks that were your friends last week, your employers, the general contractors, the owners, the developers of the construction project, they're no longer your friends. Unfortunately, they are looking to protect their interests and their interests alone. You need a friend, you need an advocate. You need to become safe.
With a construction accident, there's a great deal of uncertainty. People often wonder about many things. What is workers' compensation? Well, workers' compensation is set up to cover your medical expenses and lost wages while you're out after a work-related injury. People also wonder, can I be punished if I bring a claim? The answer is no. You can't be punished, you can't be fired for asserting your rights. What about those rights if you're an undocumented worker? Can that be held against you? The answer is no. There are many law firms who don't stand up for their clients, particularly when they're undocumented workers. We've had a track record of fighting for undocumented workers and an unparalleled record of success. It's all about, for us, helping the injured worker.
I also am the chairman of the Labor Law Committee for the New York State Trial Lawyers Association. In that role, I routinely meet with labor leaders, politicians, to ensure that the laws that keep our workers safe stay intact and, if anything, get better and afford better protection to workers at construction sites.
Construction site accidents have been happening in New York at a rate greater than they ever have. And with that, there have been more deaths at construction sites than ever before in New York. There are lawyers who will line up to get a construction accident case. But if it's your case, you get one shot, and you've got to have the right firm. Over the last decade, there has been no firm who has reported more $1 million and up results than Block O'Toole and Murphy. We know how to fight for the construction worker, and the judges, the defense attorneys, and the insurance companies all know it. And that's why our clients get taken care of.